Today we're making blue raspberry super sour hard candy.
That's good.
Yeah.
There isn't shutting it.
So Julia, tomorrow we're doing pizza fingers and candies.
Yeah.
So we might be staying a little past 5.
Some structure.
It's been an 885.
Definitely. It's hot fast.
That's sticking to me.
No, it's good. Put the table down nicely.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't get stuck to begin with. I feel like it's when it gets stuck immediately.
Once it gets stuck, it's over.
Very bad. Yeah, you know the feeling.
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to scrape it
Wrestle
off.
it.
Literally
Once you wrestle it, it's over.
3 seconds of holding it running through the table down, and all of a sudden you're just like, look at it. It's so much easier. It's a thing. It's got a little bit of glue on the side. Just scrape it. Tiny little bit. That's all it takes.
Mm-hmm.
This is a solid flavor, you can let Julia pull a little bit of here on the side. Mushrooms.
Looks like a turtle.
Corn of cob.
Bees.
These next. Corn of cob.
Turtle.
Turtle. Oh, how far your imagination can take.
You left out.
Anything you want today.
There I was, and I saw you that fall.
Just even it out a little bit.
Just bleed
do
me
some
out if I
sideways.
swear. You gotta yank it over with your one hand.
It is definitely a workout. Your right arm and like bicep coming. It's a little bit more worked out than your left one was here. Yep. So like he says to try and keep that there. Keep that above you. That way it doesn't keep the side to get like uneven.
It's uneven.
Good. Reset it.
Good though.
There you go. I'm gonna run it a little bit. Just try and get a little
Is
bit
it too
lighter.
much for you? Stop?
No, it just gets messed up somehow.
Like a little bit uneven.
Okay, you did good.
Thanks. It gets wobbly and then you can't get it back. Somehow.
Did very
I think I
good.
have to let it go more.
My fingertips are only really just like resting on this. They're not going in. I'm not like grabbing it. Sometimes if my arm is tired, I'll go in and try and assist. But that also means that I need to do like a little bit of an adjustment in between.
I think
keep
I
up
try
with
and
it.
swing it too fast.
It's very stuck with it. It's been stuck all day just because we're learning. It's just on there for a
Don't
while.
mind me.
Yeah, the thing you gotta try to do so it doesn't get one big area and one thin area.
Yeah.
Try to put the part right on top of it.
So it gets wobbled.
That way it draws down through it. And if
Yeah, I gotta-
you go over the top,
I don't think it's coming off. I'm just gonna try and
Yeah, not bad. Better than our other ones.
It was not too bad.
They're gonna be